In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add analytics to Google Sites. By the end, you'll have your site connected to Google Analytics so you can track visitors, understand which pages people view, and make better decisions based on real data. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns or can edit your site. You'll also want your Google Analytics tracking ID ready. For Google Analytics 4, it starts with the letter G followed by a series of characters. If you already have that ID on hand, you're set. Start by opening your Google site in edit mode. You can do this from your Google Drive or directly from sites.google.com. Once the site is open and you can see the editing toolbar, look for the gear icon near the top right. That's the settings menu. Click it, then select the analytics option. This is where Google Sites lets you connect your site to Google Analytics without adding any code yourself. In the text field, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID exactly as it appears in your Analytics account. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or lowercase letters that shouldn't be there. If the format looks like G followed by a dash and several characters, you're using the correct GA4 style ID. Google Sites currently expects this newer GA4 ID rather than the older format. If you manage multiple properties, confirm you're using the right one for this specific site so your data stays organized. Once the ID is in place, click Save. That's it for the setup inside Google Sites. Your site is now configured to send data to Google Analytics. Keep in mind you'll typically see data in your reports within a few minutes to a few hours, and full metrics may take up to 24 hours. If you want a quick sanity check, the real-time report in Google Analytics can help you confirm that visits are being recorded when you or a colleague browse the published site. A few helpful tips. Publish your site after saving, since many analytics events are triggered on the live version, not just the editor or preview. Some browser extensions and ad blockers may prevent analytics from loading, so if you don't see data, try a different browser or an incognito window. If you're working under an organization, the analytics option might depend on admin settings. And for privacy and compliance, consider your region's consent requirements before collecting data. You can return to Settings and Analytics anytime to update or remove the tracking ID. That's all it takes to add analytics to Google Sites.